in this
Sudhanshu Mittal, is the BJP obsessed with Mr. Kejriwal? Is that the long and short of it? Are you all obsessed with Kejriwal?
Upinder, I have been hearing this from Mr. Kejriwal about BJP as well as about Mr. Narendra Modi. You know, the last time I heard Mr. Modi talking about Mr. Kejriwal was during the elections of the Vidhan Sabha. Subsequent to that, I have never heard Mr. Modi even mentioning the name of Mr. Kejriwal. But the last count I had was 96th time when Mr. Kejriwal took the name of Mr. Modi, saying, Modi ji ko to main hi raat mein sapne mein dikhai deta hu. I mean, 96 times is what I counted.
You've counted.
Kejriwal
96 times you've counted. 96 times Arvind Kejriwal has taken the name of Mr. Modi.
Mr. Modi has not even mentioned Mr. Kejriwal.
It's four short of a century.
1 year.
So Somnath Bharti, who's obsessed with whom? 1 second, who's obsessed with whom? Because you know, because your leader, Somnath Bharti, your leader says, and Mr. Modi is trying to target me. There is Sudhanshu Mittal saying you're four short of a century of uttering the name of Prime Minister Modi.
Bhupender, if you recall rightly, Goa CM had come out in open and stated to the media persons that yes, Mr. Narendra Modi did inquire about the rally which was held in Goa, and he did ask what was the impact of the rally.
Okay.
And he responded to Mr. Modi that there was no impact. See, Mr. Modi is constantly and consistently worried about Mr. Kejriwal's performance.
Be that as it
in
may.
India.
Can I just come to the facts of the case? Mr.
Problem
Bharti, can I come to the fact of the case? Can I just, one second. I just want to know one thing, Somnath Bharti. For the first time, Mr. Bharti, Mr. Bharti, for the first time, I'm witnessing a scenario where an elected government is asking for the arrest of a governor. You're saying the governor should summon himself before the forces of law. I mean, if these are the kind of positions which will forever be taken by the Aam Aadmi Party, what kind of governance do you accept, Mr. Bharti, then?
Bhupender, the problem there is that Congress and BJP have been helping each other vis-a-vis criminality, vis-a-vis corruption. Their all game plan gets exposed when AAP comes into picture.
I see.
AAP has not been able to do, has not been able to compromise with anything. We are there to expose each and every individual.
Sir, you behave like Mahatma Gandhi. You all appear to be this holier than thou. The moment an allegation leveled against you, then you get stuck.
Corrupt BJP gets protected by Congress.
Can I just get a final response from Sudhanshu? Sudhanshu ji. Yeah, Sudhanshu ji.
Bhupinder, it is amazing that they have such scant respect to the Constitution of India, which they seem to be swearing about every day. I have Article 361 before me, which is Part 19. He's a lawyer. I think he would best understand what I'm talking. It is Article 361(1). The President or Governor or Raj Pramukh of a state shall not be answerable to any court for the exercise and performance of powers and duties of his office.
So what are you doing, Somnath Bharti? Then therefore, Somnath Bharti, should you not be held guilty? Somnath Bharti, should you not be held guilty then of politicizing?
You have no sense.
And you're a lawyer, Somnath Bharti.
Mittal has brought this.
You are the pitch.
Okay.
Excellent, Mr. Mittal has brought this. 361 is only applicable to President and the Governor, not to Lieutenant Governor. Lieutenant Governor stands on a different footing as compared to Governor. Lieutenant Governor of Delhi is not a governor of a state.
Folks, I don't allow crosstalk. I don't allow crosstalk. Sudhanshu Mittal and Somnath Bharti, thank you. Thank you for joining me. The truth is that whether it's the Aam Aadmi Party or it's the BJP, both these parties have decided that their whole political akhada has to be the state of Delhi. So the BJP will keep on scoring points after points against Mr. Kejriwal. Mr. Kejriwal also, well, since he's a new political party, will keep fighting back. Caught in this crossfire is the business of governance in Delhi. I think time has come for us to bring that focus back on the business of governance in Delhi. Talking about